Hey, what's up? Bertrand Tech Man, coming back at you with another video. Now, I had the opportunity to thoroughly examine, review, test out, push to the limit the Galaxy Z Fold 3 for about 4 months now. And I'm going to tell you what I think, why I think that it is the best smartphone of the year. Let's check it out. If you're new to my channel, help a tech brother out. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers so I can support this channel. Okay, so I want you to think about this for a minute. I want you to think about what you are actually getting with this fantastic phone. So first of all, when you think about your Galaxy Z Fold 3, some out there, or perhaps you're on the fence, you don't know if you want to spend all of that money on the Galaxy Z Fold 3. You don't know if it's worth it or not. Well, I'm going to tell you, even though I do believe the phone costs too doggone much, I love the phone and I think it's worth it. I think the experience that you get from this phone and all of the flexibility, all of the customization that you get from it, it makes it one of the best smartphones that you could possibly buy, period, hands down. Well, why do I say that? Think about this. Now, this is a 7-inch Samsung tablet, and this is a Galaxy Note 9. Outstanding phone, good tablet. Now, you can get this and you can get that when you get this. Think about that. You got not only a phone, a Note phone, but you also have a 7.6-inch tablet. So that's the main reason why I think this is one of the most outstanding phones of the year. The fact that you take this bad boy and now you got a phone, boom shakalaka, now you got a tablet. Not only is this 6.2-inch screen a nice perfect size to hold in your hand, but it also has a 120 hertz refresh rate. Now when you open that bad boy up like that, then it pops into a 7.6-inch screen. Basically it means that you got almost two. You got double. 1, 2. You got double the amount of real estate that you can use, which makes it totally awesome. You have the opportunity to work across multiple windows. Well, what do I mean about that? I mean that when you open this bad boy up and you want to sit down and you want to do some work, on one side of the screen you can have your notes. On the other side of the screen you can have your research information. Say you have Google Chrome open and you want to look up some information. Well, you got it there and you can just take it and you can drag and drop information from Google onto your documents, onto your notes, onto whatever. So that makes it a beast. The apps on this bad boy, they launch almost instantaneously. When you sit there and you open something up, you don't see any lag or anything like that. You touch that app and boom shakalaka, it's open and it's ready to go. And not only that, but you have your edge panel on here, or you can customize it the way that you want to, just about any way that you want to. The next thing that I say that makes this phone so outstanding is the drag and drop. You can open up one program and drag your pictures or your text or whatever you want to from that program to the next. And you can just keep dragging it from program to program using the different programs that you have on your phone. That in itself to me is something that's very useful, being able to have that cut and paste capability. Especially when you're using something like Microsoft Office 365. All those different programs that they have, it has a very intuitive interface that you can use and use those programs and be very productive. The next reason is the fact that now you have the ability to have a hands-free video conferencing unit. In other words, you can put this bad boy down on the desk, you can go to Zoom or Microsoft Teams, and you can sit there and position it the way you want to. Once you set it in that flex mode and you go to your Zoom application, you have a very nice, solid platform with a built-in stand, and you're ready to get your Zoom on. The next point, and what's probably is the most, I think, underrated feature of this excellent phone, is the ability to go from your tablet to your PC. You take this bad boy out, you hook it up to your PC, and boom, you got Samsung DeX right there on the screen. You got almost a full PC or desk-like experience. You can add a mouse to it, and you can add some other peripherals to it, like a keyboard, and boom, you're in there. Now you got a full-fledged PC. You can hook this up to just about anything that you want to. Any type of monitor that has a HDMI input for it. Many of the computers that you have nowadays don't have 12 gigs of RAM. This bad boy does. Not only does it have 12 gigs of RAM, and me, I'm a power user. I have to have my power. Power to the people. And I'm one of the people that needs the power. So having that 12 gigs of RAM, 512 gigabytes of space, makes it a beast. You will not see any lag or anything like this from this phone. And the majority of the work that I do is primarily done on this phone. So I'm using programs like Adobe. When I want to sign different contracts or things like that, the size of the screen makes it so easy to do, and it makes it really nice. When I want to sit down and watch a movie, the screen is huge. So you can really watch a movie from the screen. And when you match that with the loud, crispy, clear sound that's coming from the speakers with that Dolby Atmos, then you have a very nice experience as well. When I want to relax, it has a program on here called Pinup, and it gives you the ability to be able to do some coloring and drawing and stuff like that, and that relaxes me. And the size of the screen makes the difference, which brings me to the final reason why I think that this is the best smartphone of 2021. This. Now granted, the old S Pen was okay. You know, it's kind of cute. But with this S Pen Fold Edition, it is a totally different experience. It's more manageable in your hand, in your fingers. It feels more pen-like. Although this has a few more tricks, but yet and still you can use this to do a whole lot of writing, note-taking, and things of that nature. And the fact that it's made specifically for this screen makes it even better. Me, I love my Note. Like I said, I've always loved the Note. But I don't think I'll ever go back. I think the Galaxy Z Fold 3 will replace my Note. And I also think that once you go fold, it never gets old. And like I said, if you make it black, you never go back. I won't be going back to the Note, because the only thing that I can see that they could possibly do with the Note is they're going to increase or make the cameras a little bit better. They might make the processors a little bit better, and they might give you a few more tricks with the S Pen. But other than that, I really can't see any reason why I would leave the Fold. I just can't see it. If you found value in this rave about the Galaxy Z Fold 3, help a tech brother out. Hit that like button, subscribe, ring the bell, share, and comment. In the comment section below, let me know this. Do you enjoy your Galaxy Z Fold 3, and do you think that it can replace your Note?